Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to loop animation and After Effects. Looping animation in Adobe After Effects is a valuable technique that can save your time and effort when you need to repeat animation seamlessly. Whether you're working on a simple motion graphic or a complex animation, looping can help maintain a continuous flow without manually duplicating keyframes. Using expressions is one of the most efficient ways to create a looping animation in After Effects. The most commonly used expressions for looping is the loopOut function. Firstly, let's launch the After Effects and open your project containing the animation you want to loop. At the timeline, find a layer with the animation you want to loop. Ensure you've added the keyframes for the animation you want to loop. Now, expand the arrow. Hold the Alt options and click the stopwatch icon next to the property you want to loop. This opens the expression editor. Type the following expression into the editor to loop the animation indefinitely. Now, just paste the codes. And if you want to loop the animation a specific number of times, you can specify the number of loops using the pingpong method, which alternates between the animation's forward and backward playback. Now, just paste the codes. Another useful option is offset, which continues the animation by adding the last keyframe value to the first. Just paste the codes. These codes are provided in the description below. Now, press the spacebar to play the animation in the preview window. The animation should loop seamlessly. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.